Hi, I'm Jhay Avenido, 21 years of age and one of the representatives of the Department of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science for Mr. TPC 2021. To tell you about myself, I am a person who is full of dreams and ambitions. A person who knows no limitations in life. And a person that would sacrifice my own interest for the sake of my treasured and loved ones without any second thought. But also, I am a person who loves playing badminton, watch movies, fan of anime, and especially fan of dancing, specifically on TikTok. These hobbies are where my leisure time are spent. But when it comes to my academics, I am a different person. A person that values my studies. In this video, I want also to highlight my advocacy, which is to break the wheels of depression and give more attention and assistance to every individuals and make a difference. Therefore, my advocacy is to make small gatherings for the students of this institution that talks about overcoming depression and other form of mental health issues. These simple yet effective ways could make a big wave of difference. I am Jhay Avenido of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science for Mr. TPC 2021.